everyone, welcome back to my channel Biz Fix with Yvonne. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a design in multiple languages using Canva. Now let's get to the drawing board. So, time to translate. So I have this what's it called? I have this design done for an Instagram post, and I'm based in Canada, and in Canada we have certain provinces that speak French, and then certain provinces that speak English, and then certain provinces that are bilingual. So I want to create this design. I want to be able to translate this design. So first off, I have 3 did you know facts that I'm going to include. Let me just do that real quick, and then I'll be right back to translate it. Also, if you want to know how to bulk create, so I'm about to create 3 additional pages of this with 3 additional pages of this with something different on it. If you want to know how to do that very easily, you can check out my video where I created 50 designs in one click. I'm going to try and link it somewhere above me. So if not, it will be in the description box. The link to that video will be in the description box. Okay, so now I have all 4 pages with the 3 different facts that I wanted to include. So now I'll click here. I'll click on the text. Let's start off with translating the text before the header. So I'll right click, and then right here at the bottom it says translate text. One disclaimer or one call out to mention is that this is available with the Canva Premium account or Canva Pro. I can't remember what it's called right now. So that's why it has the little crown here. So if you don't have this enabled, it's probably because you don't have the Premium or Pro account. I'm hoping they have a freemium where you can maybe translate a few designs before you're capped. We'll hit translate text, and I want to translate these 2 things. I'm going to go over to settings, duplicate the page when it's translated, and I want to reduce font size to fit, which is a really great call out, because you know how certain things are a certain length, like word lengths vary by the language they're translated in. Just something to keep in mind, because the application is actually able to help reduce the font so it fits in your original design. And then translate, I want to translate text from all pages, not just that current page, but I want all pages to be translated. And then now the language. There are 134 different options, which I think is great. Like I checked for some of my Nigerian languages in here. Like there's Igbo, which I was so impressed about. There's Hausa, there's Yoruba. But yeah, back to the point. I'm going to translate this to French. And this is really great because you know how in English there are also like different quirks and slangs and things such as that. This gives us the option to say, do I want the tone of voice to be original, just the way it was? Do I want it to be friendly, conversational, informative, inspirational, and professional? I'm kind of torn between conversational and informative because they are facts, but I also want it to be, it's not really conversational, but I want it to be, I guess, friendly because of the voice of my brand. But anyway, for the sake of this video, I will make it informative. And we'll click informative, and then let's hit translate. So it's translating your pages into French using an informative voice tone. So here it says, savez-vous, what did you know? These 3 interesting facts. Yeah, my French isn't great. I don't know why I'm like reading. I do like basic French because I took it in high school. I'm just reading through. So interesting. And yes, with that we have 8 pages of English and French. It did replace my English design. It duplicated it and made a French copy. So now I could make this a carousel post if I want to, where one page is French, the other is English, or vice versa. I think this is a great feature to be able to translate within Canva. You can translate to 134 language options within the app. Feel free to play around with it, see what language you're most interested in translating to. Okay, and with that, we are done. Let me know what other use cases you can think of for translating. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. This is one use case that I've thought of and I plan to use more of this year, but I'm curious to know what else you would be using this for. You can actually also use it in the Canva Docs designs as well, where you actually have a document or job description or whatever it is and you'd like to, or a newsletter. Now I'm telling you the answer, but I'd love to hear your answer as well. Thank you. I'd love to hear your answer as well. Also, feel free to share any features within Canva that you'd love to hear. Also, feel free to share any additional features within Canva that you'd love to learn how to use a lot more in 2025. And with that, we're done with today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd love me to show you next in Canva. Until next time, bye.